Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Yen and for today's video I will be doing a monthly favorites video, though I skipped a few months, but that's okay. Hey guys, so I received a package today and I'm so excited because I wanted to show you guys what's inside, and also I will be making a review very soon. So inside here they sent me this. Inside here they sent me the Klair's Midnight Blue Calming Cream. This is what it looks like, and yeah, I'm assuming this is like a nighttime cream. And the next thing that they sent me that I am so happy about, because I've been loving this product even before, and I know I've talked about this product, and yeah, so this is the Klair's freshly juiced vitamin drop. This is a vitamin C serum, and you guys know I love vitamin C serum just because it has a lot of benefits, like brightening benefits, and it also helps with your acne scars or like any sort of discoloration. That's why I'm so excited that I received this product and I love it. I know that I'm gonna love the whole line, and yeah, but I will still be making a review. And also guys, this is like the perfect time to do this just because I've been breaking out on my forehead area again, and so I'm so excited to use this. This product inside here is the Klair's Supple Preparation Facial Toner. Now this product right here is quite popular. Like, I've been seeing a lot of beauty gurus reviewing this product, but I haven't tried it myself, and I'm so excited because I know that this is gonna be good. Okay, so next thing that they have here is the Klair's Rich Moist Soothing Cream. I love cream and I'm so excited to use this. And last thing inside is the Klair's Rich Moist Soothing Serum. So yeah, this is a serum and you are supposed to use them all together, and yeah, I'll start tonight and maybe after a week or two I'll update you guys. So that's all what's in this box. Okay, now let's hop on to my favorite here, black and blue. Well, the reason being is because it's just so hard to maintain my beach hair. So think about it, do you guys like it? Okay, so let's get started. For my first favorite, I'm gonna start with the makeup items that I've been loving, and I'm so excited to share these products with you guys because they're like one of the best finds ever. So let's get started. So for base, I've been loving two products, and this is the first one is from Klair'S, and this is the Blur Pang Banana Milk Blur. This is a tone up and natural cover effect. And I've been loving this product a lot just because whenever I use this, there's no need for me to apply like too much foundation or any BB cream, because this does the job in covering up my redness, and also it helps with my pores. That's why I really like this product, and yeah, also it smells so good. So this is what the packaging looks like. I also have one in peach, but I haven't used it just because I want to use this up first, and yeah. Okay, so next makeup base that I've been loving for this month is from the brand called Pacific, and this is their Niacin Whitening Tone Up Cream. So this is what it looks like, and I used it today on my face. That's why my face looks like it's so dewy. And if I wanted my makeup to look a lot more dewy and fresh, then this product is my go-to. And what I love about this is because it really softens your face. So when you apply your foundation or your base makeup, it's basically a lot more easier to blend. And also what I love about this product is it is skincare, so that's a plus. And yeah, I love it so much. And next product that I've been loving probably is one of my most favorite purchase this month. This is like the most amazing thing I've ever used, and I don't think I'm gonna switch. Like, it's too early to say, but I might not switch to other foundations just because this product is perfect for me. So this is also from Klair'S, and I swear this is not sponsored. I just like genuinely love Klair'S. They have the cutest packaging, and yeah. So this is the ink skin tint. So this is what it looks like. It reminds me so much of the Glossier skin tint, and yeah. So So I'm not sure what this is because it doesn't really says that it is foundation or BB cream. It just basically says that it is skin tint. And what I love about this is because it is super lightweight. It doesn't feel like you're wearing any makeup on your face whenever I'm using this, and it also gives me that natural looking glow. It doesn't cover up that much, but I don't have a problem with that just because I can always use a concealer. But this product is amazing and I love it. And also I've been having a lot of trouble with dryness recently because for some reason my eye area, also this part of my nose, it dries out so bad. That's why I couldn't use any like high coverage foundations because they won't work for me. It's gonna dry out my face so bad, and I'm so happy about this product because it's amazing. It doesn't crease, and yeah, I can talk about this product for so long. Maybe I'll just do a separate video because I love this. And yeah. Okay, so next product that I've been loving for this month is from the brand called Klair'S. And if you guys have been watching my favorites video, or basically like my videos, you guys know that I love Klair'S just because I love their pimple patches and also their cleanser, because this brand specifically focuses on acne prone skin. So, and recently they came up with this clear fit spot concealer. So this is what it looks like, and I feel like, oh yeah, this is like the shade. And yeah, I really like it because it smells like tea tree oil, and I know for a fact that tea tree oil is good for acne. So yeah, I know this product is good for me. And what I love about this is because it is skincare plus makeup, and I always go for with that type of products, which I think is perfect. It really covers up my redness, also my blemishes. So I really love using this product. Okay, so moving on. Oh, I have one last makeup product that I've been loving, and this is the ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip in the shade, what shade is this? Creeper. And I've been loving this a lot. I actually have this on my lips right now, and I really love this red type of color. And yeah, I just like to use this. And also it is so tiny, I can bring this with me every time. Not every time, I mean anywhere. And it also fits my wallet, so I really like this. And also I love how pigmented it is. I actually use like a couple of dots on the center part of my lips that gives you this like very opaque color. That's why I really like this lip product. Okay, so now let's move on to the fashion favorites and this necklace. So this one is super cute and I really love it. It's so extra, and I love wearing this when I'm wearing off shoulders because it really accentuates the look. So I really like this, and it's super dainty. So yeah. Okay, next fashion favorite is this red shoes, and actually Abby got this for me, and I've been on a hunt for like the perfect red shoes just because I don't have red shoes at all. Like I have black or different sort of colors, but never in red. So I've been really wanting one, and yeah, so this is what I have. And the reason why I like this is because it really makes my feet look so white. And also I love the details and this chunky heels. Yeah, I love it so much. It's so pretty. I don't know where is it from. I think I'm just gonna ask her. But yeah, this is so cute. And look at those ribbon patterns. And also the texture is just velvet. That's why I really like this fashion piece. And I'm so excited to wear these with like a simple dress or wrap dresses. I think it's gonna look super cute. It's gonna look so cute. It's like the perfect statement piece. Last product that I've been loving is this stuff right here. So I use this to massage my face at nighttime, and it really makes it a lot easier because, you know, it's just gonna grip on your jaw. And I really like this because it just makes my massage routine very easy. And if you guys wanted to see how I massage my face at night, maybe I'll do a separate video on that. But this is what I've been using and I love it so much. So, and last product that I've been loving is a tea tree oil, and this is from the brand called Human Nature, and I don't use this on my face, but I use this to spray on my room, and also I use this on my hair. I actually put this on my shampoo, and basically it helps with my dry scalp. So I really like this, and I think it's a good multi-purpose item to keep on your room, so I love it. Okay, so, and for non-beauty related favorite, I've been loving this book. This is called Sea of Strangers. This is from Longliab, and if you guys didn't know her, which I doubt because she's like all over the internet, and I love her work, especially this one, because this one is just, it is a compilation of poetries, but it's about love. It's basically about love and yourself and family and friends. So I really like this book, and yes, and as you guys can see, I have all Longliab's books right there just because I'm obsessed. So yeah. And for music favorites, I've been loving the original soundtrack original soundtrack of the 13 Reasons Why, which is from Selena Gomez. It's Back to You. It's so good. And also the Truth Untold by BTS. It's amazing. And lastly, I've been really obsessed with Ochiage Hanabi. If you guys didn't know that song, it's wonderful. It's like the song I listen to at night on repeat, and I really like it. It's just perfect. And yeah. Okay guys, so that's all for my favorites video. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and please hit like and subscribe to my channel if you do so, and I'll see you next time.